easy, man.
Alright nerds, we are back with the final opening in my Sun and Moon Ultra Prism Booster Box. This is a set that I've been waiting for a long time. It's not been a disappointment. The pulls have been really, really good in this box. I'm just super excited. So we got 6 more packs. I want to dig into them right now. I'm not even going to wait. I'm not going to tell you about how you could see me open that amazing base set booster box. Well, I wish. Base set booster pack in a couple days from now. I don't know how exactly many days, but March 11th at 2 p.m. Central Standard Time is when it's going to happen. I'll make sure to announce that on Twitter too. And of course, along with that, I have another Ultra Prism. You can see it over there. Ultra Prism booster box. I'm going to be opening that box. We're going to be opening up packs. It's going to be a great time. It's basically going to be a party. I'll bring snacks. I'll bring lots and lots of snacks. It'll be for me only, but, you know, in spirit, I'm sharing them. So, let's go. Let's get this torn open. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Let's see if we can get... Man, these packs, I swear to god. So anyways, there is your first code card. Let's see if we can get something pretty good. 1, 2, 3, and 4 to the front. And let's get this going. Anyways, so we're starting off with a Fighting Energy. Unidentified Fossil. Honchkrow, oh man, I hope we can get some gold. Or rainbow would be great. Chimchar, Skull Rupee, Yungoos, Surebeat. Oh my god, I'm just struggling. Oh my, look at that, look at that, look at that. It's a Piplup. And that is a Weavile reverse rare. So we're starting off with a reverse rare, so I'm not going to argue it. And our rare is just a Magearna regular rare. Pretty cool darn artwork, though. And I like Magearna quite a bit as a Pokemon because I'm just kind of into steampunk aesthetic. So anyways, come on, come on. Oh my god, yeah. Come on, there we go, there we go. They got it, we got it, we got it, we got it, we got it. Let's see if there will be a decent pull in this pack. 1, 2, and 3, and 4 to the front. And let's see, come on. Go for gold, go for gold, go for gold. Release Cynthia, that'd be great. Oh man, we got ourselves a Fairy Energy. I am just gonna have to slow down on this so I'm not pulling out so many. Unit Energy, Luxio, Sneasel, Eevee, again with the super cute artwork. Magmar, Morlul. Our reverse is a Magneton, and that is a Piplup who likes to skip his place in line. And our rare is that is a Bastiodon holographic. Very nice, very, very nice indeed, but we don't want any more holos. Oh my god, come on, we want at least one more GX card and at least one more full art to really feel like we've gotten somewhere in this box. And let's see what we can get. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, guys. Let's cheer for Cass. Just chant my name. Oh my god. Shieldon, Order Pad, Monferno, Piplup, Salandit, Booneri, Carnivine. What the heck is that? Sneasel, and that is a Shinx, very shiny, and our rare is a Garchomp regular rare. Come on, we got 3 packs left, 3 chances to bring the goods. Otherwise, this is going to be the worst opening yet, I think. So, come on, we want to finish this box off super strong. Let's see what we can get. If we can get another Prism card, I'll take that. 1, 2, 3, and 4 to the front, and let's see what we get. All right, so we're starting off with a, Psychic, Sharam, Gumshoes. Oh my god. Let me lift this up a little bit more so we can get... Oh my god, I am just hitting things left and right. And there we go. There's a Shinx hiding from us. Yanma, Gibble, Roselia, a reverse rare Magnezone, and our rare is a Rotom. I like that they've given us a lot of different Rotoms in this set. It's very cool. Rotom's a very nifty looking Pokemon, but it is not the gold that I want. Come on, maybe our other one will give us gold. I don't know. Let's see what we get in our last 2 packs. 1, 2, 3, and 4 to the front, and let's see what we get. All right, so we are going with a Gumshoes. Oh my god. Luxio, Looker, Lickitung, Chimchar. That is a Passimian, Booneri, Carnivine. Our reverse is a Napoleon reverse rare. Nice. And our rare is an Alolan Sandslash. So while we have picked up a couple of reverse rares here, we aren't... Oh, come on. We got one last pack. Come on. Let's get this last pack magic. We are going to just toss this code aside so we can't see what it is. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And come on. Let's pray to the Poké Gods that Cass finally pulls something good out of here. Well, I got a few good pulls, but it's okay. Anyways, let's continue with our Ancient Crystal, Sneasel, Eevee, Magmar, Morlo. Oh, our reverse is a Hippopotamus. That is just a common, and our rare is a... Hey, Shaman Holographic. Well, that's one way to go out with it, but alright. So, unfortunately, we didn't get a... didn't get gold, we didn't get a Cynthia, which is unfortunate, but overall the pulls were pretty darn good. Yeah, I mean, we got, look at this, that's pretty freaking solid. I mean, we got I think we got about 5 GX cards, which is about as good as you expect. Yeah, we got at least 3 here, and we got a bunch of holos. So anyways, I'm not too disappointed, but we got one whole other box to go through and so many more other cool things to open in the coming weeks. Still got another blister. I got some loose Ultra Sun and Moon packs to open, and I cannot wait to get my hands on those. So anyways, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and hit the little notification bell so that you know, and please be there this Sunday at 2 p.m. Central Standard Time, and maybe, I don't know how long it's going to be. I'm going to try not to keep it too long, but it's going to be lots of fun, good times, hopefully. And yeah, if there's anything you'd like to see me do, by the way, and you kind of want to do like some TCGO maybe, we'll figure something out, and it'll be a good time. So anyways, nerds, later.